Hello, lovely people of YouTube. How are you today? Today, we are going to make this beautiful bow embroidery on this pocket of old shorts that I have had for quite a while, and I wanted to, just spruce it up a little bit. I am using these pony quills, my embroidery scissors, and this beautiful pink colored embroidery floss to create these bows. I will show you how to do them in this video and stick around till the end to know exactly how to do this. Also, do your own and share your creations with us whenever you do. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. So I have this shorts for quite a while and I've been wearing it and it's kind of boring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the little bow embroidery right on this pocket and see how it looks. Maybe it becomes more interesting to wear later on. So for this I'm going to use this color which shows up on this jeans quite well, and I'm going to use crewels. The reason why I'm choosing these needles is that these are sharp needles, have very sharp point, but they are thick because the material of the shorts is quite thick. I need something which is thick so that it can pass through the fabric. Also, if you see in this packet, the needles are of different thickness. So this one is the thickest while this one is the thinnest. So I can choose a proper needle that I would like for this particular project and use that. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to take out one needle. So I'm choosing this thickness and I'm going to keep the rest aside for now. And for this project I'm going to use all the 6 strands. I have been using this thread. So these are the 6 strands of this particular thread and I'm going to use all the 6 strands of it. I am going to take about that much and snip this off, and I'm going to thread this in the needle. Now to thread this has quite big eye, but I don't know whether I'll be able to do with simply the thread and the needle. So I've got a needle threader. This is also by Pony, but if I can help it, I'm not going to use this. No, it is very difficult to do this way. So let's use our needle threader. We'll first thread the needle threader through the needle, then put our floss in and then pull it. It is in, and I'm going to tie a knot at the other end. Let's start from this corner. So I am going to go back and take the needle out. About this much distance. So this is, if I count it, it is like a 1, it is this much distance of my finger. So about that much distance I will put the needle down. This does not have to be absolutely perfect, but it helps if all the distances of your bows are same. This is my top line, and now I'm going to do a satin stitch. So taking my needle out from here and going across once again. So I've done 6 such rows of these horizontal stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my needle out from the middle of this, but I'm going to go below these stitches, something like this, and then I'm going to making sure I'm below all the stitches, and then I'm going to go from this side and up once again. I'm not going through the cloth but just the stitches, and I'm going to pull this. to create a bow-like structure. Can you see here? And then I'm going to go down once again, and this time I'm going to the back side of the material here so that it is secured. Now I am going to come out from a same spot, and I'm going to go diagonally down here. I am going to do 2 of such stitches. You can do 1 if you would like. And coming back at the same spot, and I'll do 2 on the other side as well. And that's about it. This is how the bow will look. We will create more bows on this row, and I'll show you how they look as I'm doing them. That's our first bow. Now you can continue from here itself, but I'm going to tie a knot at each of these bows and then move ahead. So this is how it looks finished, and there is some problem here. I'll fix that. But we have been able to do the complete rows of bows here. We can repeat that on the other pocket, or we can keep it like this on the single pocket. And I hope you like this video. Please do share this with your friends who love to embroider, or who is someone very beginner in this field, so they can also do such beautiful embroidery. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. And that's it for today. Thank you and bye bye.